welcome to my first ever unboxing video. I did just get back from Kansas City. As you can see, Airliners International, Kansas City. Today I'll be unboxing all of my models that I got there. Starting off with the 3D printed stuff, we have a UPS jet set, and we have the little jet bridges here that I'll be unboxing. Here, as you can see, we got the little jet bridges. I'm going to probably just now go get a model. But here we have the fences for the Gemini jets. For the hangar. Jet bridges. This is something I do like. I did get this one for free because the jet set people, I did buy the UPS, but they gave us the little jet bridges for free. So now I'm gonna go grab a model to go see the comparison. Here you can see the CRJ200 Delta connection up next to these. These probably will be in my airport, but I'm not sure what terminal they would go to. They would have to be some non-existing terminal from if we could take the bus from a terminal to here. But this is how it looks like. With the fences, they're just gonna be little fences I'm probably gonna add next to it as barriers to not go into the airplane and destroy it. So this is the little jet bridges. I highly recommend these if you have a little airport in the Caribbean that doesn't have a big terminal, so they use these to get to the gate. But yeah, so that's this. Now getting to the UPS. Here you can see the UPS cargo trucks up next to the MD-11. And here we have the more delivery ones. If I can focus it. You have more of the delivery ones. These ones I really do like. I'm probably gonna buy more jet set because they have really good quality stuff. I might get ground surface equipment next, but this is going to be what it's going to look like. This is my first really cargo GSC, but more, kinda. Probably gonna have a lot of these driving around the airport, so yeah. Here you might be wondering what's up with the Alaska and the Delta. Both of these models are the ones that are a bit broken, so we got these for a cheap price. Starting off, we have the Alaska Airlines Boeing 737-900ER, member of oneworld. We're now going to unbox this. Maybe I'll just unbox it this way. It's already asking me. Just lower this down. Here you guys can see it. It's really all fine. It's just really the thing is broke off. Let me see if I can focus it. Focus? Kind of. This little stabilizer or whatever it's called kind of came out. So that's really what's the only problem with it. Let me see if I can focus it. See if I can bring it back. Focus it. Okay, yeah, here. You kind of see this part's a bit it did come off, as you saw, but it's a really nice model. My dad's probably gonna bring it into his work and fix it. But yeah. Here we have the Delta 737-800 and the Atlanta Braves. Let me bring it back. You can kind of. Braves champions. I am going to unbox this. This was kind of like the Alaska, but a bit different. Here you can see the Braves champions. It does have the broken wing, so we got it for a pretty cheap price, but there's a chance that we can fix it. Here I got some of my models that I got. These are the rest of my narrow bodies, and then after this I will unbox my wide bodies. Here we have a United 757-200 in a livery. I have no idea what it is, so I'll have to search it up. This is one of the models that I kind of begged my dad for because it's really nice. Here you can kind of see it. It's really nice. If I can kind of focus it. Okay, here's United. It's really cool. I gotta figure out what livery this is, because whatever it is, good job, United. It's actually really cool. And it's my second 757, because I only have the Delta one. So this is gonna probably go into my airport. Here we have an American Airlines Medal of Honor Airbus A321. This one is really cool. I'm kind of lucky to find it because I think this is the last one. So let's open it. Here you can see the American Medal of Honor. It's pretty cool how much detail is on here, if I can get it to focus. Maybe? Hello? Okay. You have to keep it back. We can't keep it too close. Can I get it to focus? Okay. Here you can kind of see the little words in that, the little like badges on the side, Medal of Honor, and that, and then on this side, oh, you can kind of see the wingtip. It has something to say. It says, oh, it just shows the American flag with that. And on this side, it's the same thing with the American, the badges, Medal of Honor, and then the people on the bottom walking. Pretty cool model. I highly recommend it. Here we have a Sun Country Airlines Boeing 737-800. We're going to unbox today. Okay. Oh no, landing gear fell off. Wait a minute, what? Hold up. Am I tripping? Because this is landing gear, right? But there ain't nothing, but the landing gear is here. Am I tripping? I swear I shouldn't. Because here's Sun Country. Has the wheels, right? Has the wheels. Here's a little thing of wheels. Oh, don't remember. Dad went to the bathroom. See, a set of wheels. That's weird, but okay. Here you have a United Boeing 737 MAX 9 that we'll unbox too. If I can. Ugh, it's a bit hard. Yeah, I got it? I got it. Okay, just get it out of the box. Rubber band. But that's not what we're here for. We're here for the model, not the rubber band. Okay. Wow, look at this. Move that out the way. Here you can kind of see it. Pretty cool. You can kind of see a lot of. It's kind of plain, but it has a Wi-Fi box. It's pretty. Oh no! Did I drop it? Oh, it's okay. It's okay. but you can kind of see like it has Wi-Fi, which I'm pretty surprised about, but okay. We got an Airbus A320 Delta that I'll be unboxing. This is the last narrow body for this unboxing, but I think we should have some wide bodies that are pretty cool, which I really like. Wow. Let's see, you got that. Put that there. I can focus it. You guys can kind of see it. Whoa. Wow. Pretty cool how much detail they put in Gemini jets. Probably one of my favorite things. Delta on the bottom. Yeah. We should have asked one of the owners of Gemini jets if they had the Team USA Delta A350. Well, I'm not gonna see that one in person, but I'm going to go see the what's it called? The LA-28 A350 that's in France right now. Here is the Etihad Manchester City livery in the Boeing 787-9. This is the model that when I saw it, I was like, we need this because soccer is fun, or football, whatever you call it. Pretty cool unboxing way. I'd say kind of looks kind of hard to get out, but got it out. Okay. Oh, first of all, let's look at this card. Look, as you can see the card. Wow, that is cool. And in the back, you can see the Etihad. Okay. So now let's get with the airplane. These ones are probably going to be my more longer parts in the video because I'm going to like no cuts in them. So don't want my dog barking in the back. She always barks in the back, but yeah. So here's the Manchester City livery. It's really nice. I like how the tail is like that new bluish color. It's really nice. Manchester City on the engine, on the... Man, this model's sick. You got the word... Oh, pretty long wings. Etihad, the bottom, and you have kind of a little hole in it for like the stand. But yeah, this model is really cool. Here we have the Pan Am 747 SP. I guess it says China Clipper. I don't know why it says China Clipper. It must be one of the planes that flew to China. But let's get this unboxed. Oh my god. Whoa. Holy crap. Okay. Grab that. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at that. Pan Am S747 SP is crazy. Look how nice it is. That's what I call proper airplane. Wow. SP must be really small. Oh yeah, look at the winglets. See that? Wow. And then you got the landing gear, the polished belly, and everything. This is really cool, too. Well, I don't know which cooler. Let me fix that for you guys. Okay. I don't know what's cooler. This Pan Am or the Manchester City? I have no idea. I'm sorry to do my mind with that. Oh yeah, I did get this for only $40. See, 45 back here. Either I got that for like $30 or $40. Because the guy gave us $5 off of all the airplanes that we bought from him. We bought a couple, not too many though, so yeah. So, this model, gotta get it. See that? How I'm doing the lighting. Yeah, so I recommend this model. It's really cool. Here we have the KLM 747-400 Cargo Interactive Series. It's so big of a box, I can't even fit in my camera view. Like, if I do this, I got it. Clear view. But, kind of don't really have a clear view, so, here we go. You can kind of see it. So, we're going to unbox it now. If I can bring it up closer. Oh, wow. They got everything in here. I forgot that this is interactive. Wow. Crap. First, let's check the model out, because everything can wait. I gotta check this model out. Feels weird touching an airplane and feeling the inside of it, but I forgot it's cargo. So I thought it was broken, but it was cargo. See, KLM Cargo, KLM, Martin Air. Well, no, it's operated by Martin Air. So let's see what they got in here for me. They got this. I think that's the pin to pull stuff out. They got whatever these are. I think this is that bigger nose. This is for the nose. You can figure out, because it goes like, Okay, that's okay. If you can just stay with the nose. Martin Air. These go. Do these go on this side? Just need this side. Hold on. Do that. No, I don't think they do. I know these doors do. But I forgot. Which one is for the door openers? I don't know right now, so I'm not going to really try messing around with it, but here's the KLM Cargo. Really nice. Interactive series is probably cool. I'm probably going to have to go over this with my dad so he can figure out where the pieces go in that and how to get the nose on. Here we have the UPS 747-400. This is probably going to go with my ground surface equipment that I got, so we're going to unbox it today. Ugh, so big of a box. Huge box. Oh, I didn't know it came with a stand. Now that's cool. Well, where can I open this at? This is honestly hard to get open. Wow. But I have to ask my dad how to do it. They got the stand. Wow. Just look at this. Look at this 747. It's a 400 too. I remember in India, I think a China Southern or China Airlines 747 came taxied because we had a view of the runway, so we'd see planes land. And a China Southern 747-400 came around, and it was huge. So just an 800 is huge, bigger. So an 800 is huge, I guess. Worldwide service, UPS. Let's go with this. Let me grab some of these. It's, yeah, kind of see the, it's like fit 1, 2, 3, 4, and like 4 of these, and 1 of these. So pretty big, but the tail can probably fit 2 of these. Yeah, 2 of these. But really cool model. Really like it. Well, that is all for this unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed it, and hit the subscribe button if you want to see more like airport updates. I do have a whole new airport, so you might want to see it if you saw it on my YouTube channel. It's pretty cool in that. But let me just okay, let me just add that right there. And then we can add that right there. Okay. Yeah. So this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Now I just gotta go edit this video. Bye.